Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Marifa Akundi, and today, in today's training, I'll be taking us through the process of SAP Business One, AP, and AR down payment invoice. Okay, as we all know, the down payment invoice is an advance payment made from a customer or made to a vendor, right, which is also a supplier. Right. So in let's say business one, we have two different types of down payment invoice. We have the account receivable down payment invoice and we have the account payable down payment invoice. So whenever a customer makes a down payment, so the right document to use is the AR down payment invoice. And whenever a down payment is being made to a particular vendor, you make use of the AP down payment invoice, right, for the posting. Okay, so first of all, I'll be showing us the process of the AR down payment invoice. Now the sales here, we have the AR down payment invoice. Alright, so here I'll be selecting the right customer, which is Mandy. Mandy is the customer for today. So let's say Mandy made a down payment, and this down payment invoice is an item type, not a service type. It's an item type. With this, I'll be selecting my items. So items. Okay, so these are my items, and the first item, the quantity is one. The second one has one quantity as well. The unit price, I have my unit price, and for the purpose of this training, I will be exempting tax. Okay, then okay, my posting date is perfect, and when you scroll down, you see the total, which is £300. £300. Then we can then proceed to add this document. With this, the operation has been completed successfully. The next thing after posting this document is to post the incoming payments. Right. So under modules we have the incoming payments. Under banking we have incoming payments. So from the incoming payments we also pick the same customer, which is Mandy, and with this you can see the down payments that was made, right? So on this payment there is no cash discount. No cash discount was given to this customer. So we have cash discount at zero, which leaves us with a balance with a total balance of £300. This has been selected, and when you scroll down, you select the payment means. The payment means is bank transfer, and the GL account should have the bank account the customer paid into the Zenith Bank, and the total is still £300, and the amount is £300. Click on OK. Scroll down, add this document. So this has been successfully added. The next thing is to post the normal invoice, which is the here invoice, the sales invoice, right? And from the sales invoice, we can then go ahead to draw the down payment. This is the here invoice. Select Mandy. You select the same items. Okay, so I have the same item. On this transaction, I am exempting my tax. You can also include tax, but for the purpose of this training, I'll be exempting tax. Right. My warehouse, GL, and when I scroll down, my balance due is £300 and the total is £300, but this is before withdraw the down payment, because after the down payment has been drawn, the total will be zero. So you click on the box in draw the down payment. The right down payment to draw is this. Yes, this with a net amount of £300. Okay, as you can see, after drawing the down payment, the total is now zero, which means that the down payment is now offsetting the AR invoice. So which leaves the total to zero. Then go ahead to add the document. So with this, the down payment invoice process is complete. And how do you check the flow of the transaction? Once you right click, select relationship map. The system shows you the flow of the transaction from the down payment that was made to the incoming payment and to the AR invoice. Right? So this is the process of AR down payment invoice. This same process can be replicated for the AP down payment invoice, that is for the vendor. So let's proceed to the vendor part. For the vendor down payment, we go to the AP down payment, and under the purchasing AP, we have AP down payment invoice. Still the same process as the here down payment invoice. So here we are dealing with a vendor. I have my vendor to be Acme Associates, right, and select the right items. Okay, I have my items with one quantity each, my unit price. And like I said, for the purpose of this training, tax is exempted. So you can decide to add tax to yours depending on the requirements, and the withholding tax liability is no. Right. So when you scroll down, the balance due is £400. Yeah, £400. Then click on add. Yes. With this, I can then proceed to post the outgoing payment. Alright, so under models banking, we have the outgoing payments. Here, Acme Associates is the right vendor. And as you can see, we have several transactions here, but our focus is on the down payments, which is this from my dates. Focus is on the down payment, and as you can see, there is a cash discount on this down payment, which leaves the total to be £392. In this scenario, in this case, there is no cash discount. No cash discount, so we have total payment of £400. And the next thing is to select the payment means, which is bank transfer, and the right GL account, which is the bank account. Go ahead to include the total amount and the paid amount. And finally, you had okay. So this document has been successfully added. The last thing here is to post the AP invoice and then draw your down payment. So here we have the AP invoice. Select the same vendor, which is Acme Associates, and ensure you enter the right posting dates, the due date and documents date, right? So remember, this invoice is an item type and not a service type. We then go ahead to select the right items. The same item in the down payment invoice should be selected. We have the same item with the same quantity, the same unit price. In this scenario, so this item is tax free. tax free, and withholding tax liable should be no, no, for this training, like for the purpose of this training. Right. So with this, I have my balance due to be £400, and my total payment due is £400. So this is before down payment has been drawn. And once you select the box, it allows you to draw your down payment. Select the rest down payment. Right. I don't have to change anything here. Click on OK. And one other thing is that you can also edit the net amount to draw or the gross amount to draw here. So you can edit it. You can edit before you draw the payment, right? So in this scenario, I am not reducing or increasing the down payment. So I am using the accurate down payment, which is £400. And as you can see, my total payment due is now 0 because I have been able to offset the AP invoice with the down payment invoice. Right. Okay, we then go ahead to add in view. Okay, so this has been added successfully, and then go ahead to check the relationship map, which shows the flow of the transaction. With this, we have been able to complete the process of down payment invoice for AR, that is the account receivable, and the account payable. So if you have any question regarding this training, so feel free to drop your question in the comment section. Also, if you have other processes in SAP Business One that you would like us to treat, feel free to drop this process in the comment section. Right. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, and see you next time.